Hi, welcome to another Friday technical talk. As you know, we've been doing a lot of rotary work, and today we're going to be looking at our rotor side plates and end plates and the damage that can be done on the water-cooled and the air-cooled engines. So this is our water-cooled F1 engine. Luckily for the owner, it was caught just in time. There were some running issues. On stripping and inspecting, we found, if you can see, scoring on, that's the center plate, so scoring on the center plate, and the side seals beginning to dig in on the end plate. So that is just beginning to show signs of wear on the side, on the plates. What we're going to do now, these are going to be cleaned and stripped, and these will be sent away for machining and moly coating. That's a new service that we're providing, so you can send your engine to us for stripping, rebuilding, moly coating, or you're more than welcome to send your plates to us and we can get them repaired for you. I wouldn't recommend that because really we need to be looking at measurements and dimensions, especially on the fitment with your rotors and seals and things. So we've had a look at the water-cooled plates. For interest, I've got one of our air-cooled plates here. This was a scrap that we hold. As you can see, this shows the extreme situation where if you don't catch the rotor side seals in time, you can see how it's turned on the epitrochoid, and the side seals have slowly begun to eat away in the swirl shape that the epitrochoid takes and the rotor takes in that, on the tracks. And you can see there the extreme case that's happened, which has rendered that now scrap. Okay, I hope that was useful. That was a quick look at the damage that can be done on our end plates. We're going to carry on with this when we get the millennium coated plates back, and we'll then have a look at how that engine works and a full explanation using our rotary cutaway engine so you can see the full cycle. Look forward to speaking to you soon.